Well, good morning, Puddle Duck Puppets. I have a very important announcement concerning the vending machines throughout Puddleduckpuppet Plaza. Our vendors have been instructed to replace all junk food in the machines with healthy snacks and juices, such as tofu pops, granola, yogurt bars, and hummus. Have a wonderful day, and please remember to be kind to each other.
Hummus. How can anyone have a wonderful day eating tofu and hummus? I would think the entire condo association would have to vote on such a drastic measure. Oh, Dee Dee, they are worried about our health. I heard that over half the Puddle Duck puppets flunked the weigh-in. At least they didn't post the names. I would have been mortified. Dare I ask how your diet is coming along? Terrible, terrible, terrible. I'm hungry all the time. I just read an article saying that these low-fat diets don't work. Low-carb diets don't work. Low-calorie diets don't work. None of them work. I just took a book out of the library. It's called Puppets Pile on the Pounds. What did it say? Well, I haven't started it yet. But the puppet on the cover looks like she weighs about half a pound. Oh dear, we don't want you to get too thin. Huh. Do you really think that is about to happen? Well, I don't know. I don't know.